Welcome to Hua Hin, welcome to Market Village Mall. I'm going to show you today a little bit the Market Village Mall. It is a small mall, but it has pretty much everything because you have a food court down there. Very good. And you actually have pad kra pao for 50 baht. So it's a very good value. Inside this nice air-conditioned mall, all the way down, we have a food court. So here you have the IT section, okay? You can buy all kinds of electronics, phones, but be aware there's iPhone Pros you cannot get here. iPhone 17 Pros, they all have to be ordered. You do have a Studio 7. This is an authorized reseller, but yeah, they don't have the silver, what I want. In general, Hua Hin is so empty. Even people who are coming to Hua Hin frequently around this time of the year also said it is very empty this year. So I'm not sure if that's like a downward spiral of tourists missing or what's going on here. Not sure. This is definitely more busy than the Blueport Mall, which was very empty. You can see here lots of electronic stores. We're gonna take a stroll down. There's also a supermarket somewhere. I think it's a big C. Can I go down here? Yes, let's walk here. It's also, we realized today I had an English breakfast. It was 265 baht. English breakfast. So if I compare it to Da Nang, it is definitely double the price here for English breakfast, for example. Now, if you look into pad kra pao and all Thai food, that's actually very cheap here. So I think it is even cheaper to eat Thai food here than it is in Pattaya or anywhere like Bangkok 100%. But I usually compare Hua Hin to Pattaya. But Western food, it's still more expensive. I think it's also, we see now that beef is always, you cannot get any kind of meal with beef cheap here at all. So if you like to eat beef, you will most likely have normal, definitely 10x prices than anything else, chicken or pork. We see it with Marcus, because he's doing carnivore at the moment. And he basically can only have burger patties for $10, $12 or steaks for $20, $30. So, pretty interesting. I think the beef is better priced than Vietnam. And definitely, I think because everything is imported from Australia, right? I'm wondering how much does beef cost in Australia? To all my Aussies, please can you tell me how much it is? Okay, let's check out. Do they have here? Oh. Latte. There's even milk on it. They really do it here. You can have a latte over there. Interesting. Rice cookers. This is always very good to have. Air purifier, I think, is that? Or what do you think is that? Air purifier? Maybe a combination? An oven? Huh. Alright, guys. One thing what is definitely better here than in Da Nang is the noise pollution. It's so quiet everywhere. I think if you're not living on the main street, it's always quiet. I feel like it is as quiet as the small city where I'm from in Germany. Very quiet, very calm and quiet. And a lot of people actually like it like that. And I feel the rentals might be more square meters per dollar than in Da Nang. I feel like they have lots of houses here for rent, which are very cheap with yard and everything like that. But yeah, it's very interesting also what they have to sell, like all those big villas they sell. Very interesting, guys. I could definitely think I wanna try it out with my wife one time. I wanna know what she's saying, but I don't know if I can actually make it because it's really boring at some point, you know. You gotta have a lot of friends here to make it work. And I really like my routine in Da Nang, so it's tough. I like to go to Pattaya because I have a lot of friends there and I have a routine there too. I know everything about Pattaya. I could also live in Mexico, no problem, I have a routine there. But Hua Hin, I feel like it's... you definitely need a motorbike here because it is not walkable. You can walk to the beach, you can walk to the mall, but other than that, if you want to go somewhere else, you have to have a motorbike or take Grabs all the time. This is the milk section here. 140 baht. I cannot compare it because I don't know what the prices were before. But they have a lot of milk here. They even have a lot of almond milk, mixed milk, 3 nuts. Very interesting. And oils. Cup noodles. Yeah, it looks very nice. It's a very nice supermarket. Lots of fish here, nice displayed. You got the meat. Let's check out how much the meat is. Let's say the beef. This is minced pork, I think. Pork. Pork belly. Chicken, I think. And more pork or chicken? I'm not sure what it is. Chicken. Where's the beef? Thai sausage. Cold cuts and cheese. I don't know where the beef is. Maybe it is over there. Yeah, there we go. Rump. 126 baht. That is not expensive. But there we go. Thai Wagyu beef. 365 baht. $11 or something. 200 oyster blade. Lots of Aussie meat. Aussie beef. It's so nice here, to be honest. It's so nice. So much stuff to buy. I don't know about you, but I really like to try out new things. At the moment not, because I'm losing weight, but other than that, I usually always try something like this. Daifuku chocolate Dubai mochi. How nice does that sound? My God, I want to try it. This is my favorite, the brand Daifuku. It's my favorite mochi brand. They have very, very nice chocolate mochis. Then what do you have here? This is also very famous toffee cake. Toffee cake, there's a very famous one in Pattaya. It's very good here, it's very delicious. Whenever you see a toffee cake in Thailand, get it. But I cannot get it at the moment. And there's one more thing. Sawadee-krap. Oh yes, that's that. Oh, this milk buns, they're so good. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta leave, man. I gotta leave. I don't know if you ever tried it, but For You desserts, they don't have it here, but they have it in Pattaya and in Bangkok. For You desserts, my god. They have those milk buns. They have like 1 trillion calories, but they taste so good. They are like, oh, I really miss that. It's actually very busy today here. Wow. This mall is very busy, while the other mall was completely empty though. But here's the thing, if you don't like the beach or like to be in the water and things like that, it's a little bit too hot outside, so the mall is your best bet to walk around and do something else. Or you have a nice house with a pool and hang out at home. It's the same in Da Nang as well. But Da Nang, you have every 5 meters you have a coffee shop. So you can always walk from one coffee shop to the next. I think Marcus is over there with our friend Rudy from Germany. Rudy! And I also tried out some electric vehicles here. Super nice. $20,000. Now I understand. Like those cars feel so good. You step in, it's very comfortable. It feels premium. Now I get it. And it's just $20,000. Crazy. Yeah. That's why the German car industry is doomed. But at the end of the day, they don't have a brand. So it's the only thing we still have in Germany, brand. A Mercedes is a Mercedes, and a BYD is a BYD. Even though a BYD is maybe better, maybe, I don't know, from the specs or interior or something like that. But at the end, it's not a Mercedes. That's all that counts at the end. It's just the same with an Oppo phone and iPhone. An Oppo phone has 6,000 milliampere battery. That is 1,000 more than the best flagship iPhone Pro Max has. More battery life. It has more, but you know what? It's still an Oppo phone. So the Oppo phone is 12,000 baht and the iPhone is 43,000 baht. Yeah. Alright guys, this is also the food market down there, Market Town. And Marcus is over there. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.